If you need to export all of your notes from Evernote, the good news is that it's simple once you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you how to export your notes properly using the Evernote desktop app. Since exporting isn't available in Evernote Web, I'll also walk you through the best file format to choose, so your notes are ready for backup or for moving to another app. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides. Let's get started. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your computer. This step is important because the export feature is not available in the web version, so you'll need the installed desktop app to continue. Once you're inside Evernote, look over to the left sidebar and click on Notebooks. This will show you all the notebooks stored in your account, which is exactly where you'll begin the export process. Now, right-click the first notebook that you want to export. A menu will appear with several options, and from that menu, select Export. This opens the export settings for that notebook. When the export window appears, you'll want to choose ENEX as the file format. ENEX is the recommended format if you're creating a backup or if you want to import your notes into another note-taking app later on. It keeps your notes organized and makes the transfer process much easier. After selecting ENEX, you may see optional settings for note attributes. If you want, you can include things like tags and created date. These details can be useful if you want a more complete backup of your notes, especially if you plan to restore them or move them somewhere else in the future. If you don't need those extra details, you can leave the defaults as they are and continue. Next, choose the location where you want to save the exported file. I recommend picking a folder that's easy to remember, like your Documents folder, or a dedicated backup folder on your desktop. Once you've selected the save location, click Export to begin the process. Evernote will create the ENEX file for that notebook and save it in the folder you chose. Here's the important part. If you want to export all of your notes, you'll need to repeat these steps for each notebook. Go back to Notebooks, right-click the next notebook, choose Export, select ENEX, pick your save location, and click Export again. Keep doing this until every notebook has been exported. Since Evernote exports notebook by notebook, this is the method you'll use to get all of your notes out of the app. A helpful tip is to name each exported file clearly so you can easily tell which notebook it belongs to later. For example, you could include the notebook name and the date in the file name. That makes it much easier to organize your backups and avoid confusion if you ever need to restore them. Once you've exported everything, take a moment to check your saved folder and make sure all of the ENEX files are there. That way, you know your notes are safely backed up and ready whenever you need them. If you plan to move to another app, these files will make the transition much smoother. And that's it. You now know how to export all notes on Evernote using the desktop app. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.